In this session, we'll be seeing how to append a function file. So let's first see the demonstrations of functions, as in, like we'll be calling the function's name, let's say x equals inverse of something. So round bracket we say and 2. So we have 0.5. Similarly, we can have factorial as well. Let's say x equals fact of 4. No, actually, I think it's factorial. Yes, it's factorial. So let's make it factorial. Yes. So how to make such functions file so that we can easily call it and we can make our program much more compact. So let's get started. So we'll first clear the screen and we'll create a function file. So for creating, we'll be using script editor. So as in last sessions, we used to write CLC and clear all, but now we'll be appending a function file. So this won't work right here. So we'll be just removing this CLC and clear all. In spite of that, we'll be writing some attribute which makes this script file a special function file. We say a special file which is a function file. So we initiate a function file by just calling function. But before that, let's demonstrate, or let's have a problem statement. Let's have a conversion between degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we know the formula, like whatever temperature in degree we give, its formula will be 9 by 5 into some degree Celsius plus 32. So we assume, let's say 25 degrees Celsius. So 9 into 25 divided by 5 plus 32. So that will be a simpler conversion from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. So how to append the same syntax or the same statement or same mathematical expression into a function file? So let's see how to append it. So we'll go to editor or our function file and we'll create a function. So its attribute, like we won't save it now. Its attribute is of the form like output equals function's name or file name. So let's name it as cell CS2 Fahrenheit. So cell 2 far. And note again, its name shouldn't start with 2 and it shouldn't contain any special characters. And inside we'll be writing the input argument, like it will be taking that argument. And when you save it, its name automatically get adjusted. So you shouldn't modify your cell or function file name. So it's that simple. So we have created a function file. So let's write the same syntax in variable form. So we want output as f. So whatever output you mention f. So in that function file, it will be taking only that statement as an output. So f equals 9 by 5 and input argument we have as c. So it's that simple. So let's dock this file to command window first, and then it will be easy to appreciate or easy to visualize what's happening. And as you can see, so its function file, it gets appeared in different format with fx initialized that way. And let's dock it to the main command window. Yes. And then we'll execute it. Before executing, of course, for executing, we'll have to call that function's name. So we'll call cell to far and inside we'll write 25. The same as above we are saying. So yes, it gives the same answer like 77. But it gave f value as well because we have not suppressed its display. So again, let's call it. And we'll clear the screen first and we'll again call the same statement, clear all, like every variable have been cleared, and then using history, like using command history, like press up cursor key, you can directly call the x value. Yes, we have it. So this function file, like it propagates well and it makes our program more compact. Like you can pass on arrays or anything, and it's very helpful in writing very long programs, very lengthy programs in which it may add to complexity if you go on appending the same file. So this type of function files helps to make it more modular or more compact, and in a way it saves the heap memory, something we call as heap memory, which we'll discuss someday soon. So one thing to note again is like its file name, that cell2 or whatever you write the file name, it should be same. Like its file name should be same as the function declaration. If you write something else, it won't execute at all. So both should be same. So it's one of the easiest.